Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing some self care. So, lately, I've been feeling super tired, so I take vitamins and minerals in the morning. Absolutely love the product because it boosts my energy levels. So I washed my hair and then I put on some restorative treatment with some conditioner, and this is a game changer. This made my hair so soft and it felt so moisturized, which made the detangling process so much easier. Thereafter, I placed a plastic cap on my head for like 5 minutes, and then I took it off and rinsed off my hair. Then I blow dried it, and this is like 3 days later. I decided, okay, let's do a flex rod set on my hair because I don't feel like flat ironing it. I was so excited to do this flex rod set because it's been a minute since I've done one on my hair, but oh my gosh, did this flex road set not give me a headache from y'all? Oh my word, I don't think I will be doing a flex road set anytime soon again. But if you want like a full tutorial on how I do my flex road set, I will definitely link it in the description box. The products I used on my hair whilst doing this flex road set was the leave-in conditioner from Soft and Free and the Mousse. I liked the way my hair turned out, but I definitely would have loved it if my curls were tighter because it would have lasted longer. I also like to sleep with my flexi rods in my hair overnight so the curls have enough time to set. I would like to take a moment to say welcome to all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the family, guys. Let's do some skincare. So I firstly washed my face and exfoliated it with this brush, and then I rinsed it off, and then I washed my face again. Then I used cotton pads the second time around. I don't know how it came about that I started doing this, but since I've been doing this, like my face feels so smooth. After rinsing my face, I'm going to be applying an aloe vera and king honey face mask. Absolutely love this mask. Got gifted this by my bestie, and this definitely will be joining my collection of masks the next time I go to buy myself some more masks because it made my face feel so good. I kept it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I took off the mask and then I rinsed my face with lukewarm water as per the instructions. And then I applied a cream that gets made by a local pharmacist. Like, my skin absolutely loves this cream. It's gonna always get me right. Before I went to bed, I put on my bonnet just to protect my hair from getting frizzy. And then the next day, I took out the flexi rods. I love the way it turned out. Absolutely loved the way my skin looked the next day. The self-care was very much needed. Like, it definitely got me right. Like, I feel so much better now. If you made it this far into the video, I would really like to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. See you in the next one.